So here I am to talk about today's trading recap. So as you can see, I did not took a trade again as I did yesterday. So let's talk about why. So before the market open, I was bearish for the day. So on the 4 hour, we had this bearish fair value gap. We had this inverse fair value gap. We had another 4 hour inverse fair value gap. So the 4 hour fair value gaps are the levels that I trust the most, are the levels where we have a lot of reactions. So here we had the bearish fair value gap, bearish inverse fair value gap, bearish inverse fair value gap. So this is a level and a zone that the price might react in a bearish way. So here I was bearish for the day. So on the 1 hour, we had this big 1 hour fair value gap, and here we just had a move to fully fill the 1 hour fair value gap and then just gone lower again. So I was bearish for the day, but at the same time, if we respect the 1 hour and 15 minute bullish fair value gap, we can still go higher. That's what I had in my mind. So here we had this low of the 1 day session, we had the high of the 1 day session, we also have had this high. So my plan was simple: to take a short, I would need to see a sweep here or a sweep here, and to take a long, I would need to see a sweep here, and I would also like to see a mitigation of this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So that was my plan. So here we had the sweep, we had a very good reaction with big wicks, but here, after I saw that we did not mitigate this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, I was a bit skeptic about taking a long. I really wanted to see a mitigation here, but we at the same time we closed above this low and respected the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So I still could take a long, but we also had this 15-minute bearish fair value gap, and the 15-minute fair value gaps usually get respected, so I was not very confident here to take a long. So here on the 1 minute we had the flip of these 1 minute bearish fair value gap. That was my key level to take a trade, and I almost entered a long here at this retest. So here we flipped the level, closed above this high, and then we gone a bit higher, then we retested the gap and then gone higher again, retested again, and then the price just pumped a lot. And my setup was like this: stop loss before the 1 minute fair value gap, and my take profit would be at these highs because it's Friday, and I was not expecting the price to move as we are seeing in the moment. I was not expecting like a big move as we have now, so I just had the take profit here at this New York high, and the price just hit the full TP and then gone way higher, and even swept the London high. So today it could have been a very good long, but I was not very confident here. It's Friday, and we were respecting this high, and we here had the sweep gone lower, had the sweep gone lower. I was not very confident here because my bias was bearish, so I was still expecting to see a bearish price action for New York, but the bias was wrong, and because of that I did not took a very good long, but it is what it is. I followed my strategy, so it was a good day as always. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and Sunday I'll be back to record my weekly analysis on gold. So like and subscribe, and see you in the Sunday.